Applying to the City of Stoke-on-Trent Sixth Form College is easy. Our application form is online, so head over to www.stokesfc.ac.uk. If you're applying on a phone or tablet, as shown on the video, please click Menu, Apply, Apply Now. If you are applying on a desktop computer, click Apply, which can be found in the top of the home screen. Make sure you read through the information on the Apply Now screen and click Register. Firstly, you need to register your personal details and create a password. This will then create an account for you which you can log back into. When registering, please make sure you enter all of your details correctly, especially your date of birth, home address, contact number and email address. Please make sure you don't leave any gaps when entering your mobile number. Once you have completed this, you need to click Register Account. Now you have an account, the application asks for further information about you, including your ethnic origin, place of birth, and information about your healthcare needs. Please make sure you answer these questions honestly. Once you have completed this section, click Save and Next. Next, you need to enter your emergency contact details. This must be the contact information of a parent or carer. It is important that you enter 2 emergency contacts. Please remember that you can update contact information for both you and your emergency contact throughout the enrolment process and once you are a student with us. Select your previous high school, the month and year you started and the month and year you finished or intend to finish year 11. If you have attended more than one high school, please add another high school, then click Save and Next. Here you need to enter your GCSE qualifications. As a minimum, please enter your GCSE English Language and GCSE Maths. Enter your predicted or target grades in the predicted grade section. If you are waiting for your actual GCSE grades, please leave the actual grade section blank. You also need to enter the month and year you expect to receive your GCSE results. Once you have saved your GCSE English and Maths qualifications, you can enter your other qualifications using the drop-down menus. Be sure you check that you select the correct obtained/predicted dates. Once you have completed this section, click Save and Next. Now this is the fun part. Please select the courses you are interested in studying at the Sixth Form College. You can select up to 5 subjects. Remember, a full-time programme of study is the equivalent of 3 A-levels, so although you have selected 5 subjects, it's unlikely that you will study all of them. You can also change your subject choices throughout your enrolment journey. We do not offer course places on a first-come, first-served basis. To give us an idea of your intended career path, we ask that you complete the My Future section. Please make sure you select a progression pathway. If you are unsure of your long-term goal, you can leave this section blank. Finally, clearly check your application form. If you see an error, go back to the page and edit the information. Once you are happy with your application, click Submit Application. Congratulations, you have now completed your application form to the City of Stoke-on-Trent Sixth Form College. Please make sure you read the information on the application process complete page. You can select your own first course discussion. To do this, go to the My Application tab on this page. You will receive an email confirming that we have received your application. Once we have processed your application, you will receive another email confirming your first course discussion appointment and be given important information about CEDA and your next steps as an applicant. This discussion takes place with a member of the college's interview team. Your password to log into the CEDA portal will be sent to you via text message. If you don't receive these emails, please remember to check your junk email before contacting us. If you have any questions, you can contact our admission team via email admissions@stokesfc.ac.uk or call us on 01782 854 221.